Hi friends, welcome back to Jolys kitchen. Today we are going to make special tasty brinjal fry recipe. We need only 15 minutes to make this delicious recipe. Serve hot for best taste. Let's move to the video. For marination, in a bowl take 1.5 tablespoon Kashmiri Red Chilli Powder, 1/4 teaspoon Turmeric Powder, half teaspoon Pepper Powder, half teaspoon Garam Masala Powder, 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste, 1 tablespoon corn flour, 1 teaspoon lemon juice, 3/4 teaspoon salt, 2 tablespoon water. Mix it well. Now add 2 brinjal cut into round shape like this. Coat them well. Keep marinated for 30 minutes. In a pan, take 3 tablespoon oil and heat it. When the oil is hot, add marinated brinjal pieces for frying. Fry it on medium flame. Sprinkle some curry leaves on top of it while frying. Fry both sides. Switch off the flame.
If you have not subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe and support. To receive latest video notification, don't forget to enable bell icon.
Special tasty brinjal fry recipe is ready. We need only 15 minutes to make this delicious recipe. Serve hot for best taste.
If you enjoyed this video, please press like button. Also don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Comment below your suggestions. We will come back with another video. Thanks for watching the video.
Ba-ba-da-ba-ba.